Hey folks, this is JR with DIY Prepper. Welcome to the channel, and today we're going to do a little bit of a different kind of video. Thanks to your support, on August 28th, this channel hit 100,000 subscribers. So to celebrate, I'd like to share with y'all the unboxing of my silver play button. And then also, as a special thanks to you guys, we're going to be doing a giveaway later in the video. Alright, so just a warning to you guys, I'm going to ad-lib this, so if I say something stupid and it's not as polished as what you were used to, we're just going to have to go with it. So, this is the box that it comes in. Pretty cool. It's a special YouTube box. I've never gotten one of those before. And I went ahead and took the shipping labels off because, you know, internet stalkers are bad. But anyway, let's go ahead and carve this up. Alright. Ooh, behold, a silver play. Just kidding, that's packaging. Alrighty, so first we have an inspection card. Some dude named Rick inspected this, and so if there's anything wrong with it, it's Rick's fault. And then also here we have a letter from YouTube that talks about your first subscriber, your 100th, your 1000th, and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. The letter, I'm probably going to hang that up too. And then here is the star of the show, if I can ever get in here. Here is the silver play button. So it's not actually silver, I think it's mostly like nickel or something like that, but it's in this nice protected bag here. And so here we go. There is the DIY Prepper TV silver play button. And y'all, I gotta tell you, this really is special to me, and for a lot of different reasons. First of all, I look back to a few years ago when I didn't have a channel. I was just somebody who liked watching YouTube. And I remember back then people like John Lovell and Essential Craftsman. They were people that I watched, and they had around, I think, 100,000 subscribers at that time. And I remember my perception of them, and now I've kind of reached the spot where they were during that time. So that's just a really cool feeling, and hopefully I'll be able to keep it going like they did, because their channels are huge now. Then also another reason why this means a lot to me is that I know in life, I know a lot of people do, we do things because maybe they're expected of us, or we do them because maybe somebody tells us we'll be good at it, and then we try it out, and maybe we're not the most happy with that choice later on. I know that was my experience, but this is something that aligned with my interests. I decided to do it on my own, and I'm very thankful to the good Lord that it worked out, and thankful to you guys for sticking with me. And if y'all have been with me for a while, thank y'all for putting up with my learning curve. Because if you look back, especially to my earlier videos, I mean, the lighting was horrible. The sound sounded like I was trapped in a toilet bowl. So thank you for putting up with my learning curve and getting through those dark days. And don't get me wrong, I know that there's still some things that I really could improve on. Like, I want to work on my lighting still, I want to work on my audio, but it has gotten a lot better. And then also the mustache. I don't know if y'all remember my mustachio days, but those truly were the dark, dark days of this YouTube channel. That shaving accident that resulted in that mustache going away is probably one of the best things that ever happened to me and DIY Prepper TV. I was shaving, and I just went over too far to one side, and I was like, oh no, now I have to shave the whole thing off. I'm going to look like a naked mole rat. And a couple years later, haven't looked back. That thing was just as ugly as sin. But anyway, moving on to the part that you guys probably care about, and that's the giveaway. Ecoflow, which is a company that I have been working with for a long time, has offered to partner with me and send one of their River 2 power stations to one of y'all. The River 2, it's an excellent option for charging different small devices, and if you have rechargeable batteries, it's good for those also. And it's also nice if you want a portable power option that you can take with you on things like camping or hunting trips to run things like lights or blow up inflatable mattresses. And even if you're somebody who already has something big, something like this is still good to have just for the portability. Like I'll use this if I don't want to find an extension cord to reach an outlet, or if I don't want to drag out one of the big ones that I've been sent, I'll just use this one because it's tiny and it's light. It can go pretty much anywhere. Now, to enter the giveaway, just leave a comment below. It could be something like maybe the first video that you watched on the channel, or how long you've been a subscriber, or even something that you would like to see covered on the channel in the future. Just leave a comment along those lines and you'll be entered. I'll announce a winner in my community tab and the description of this video, not the comment section, and that'll be on September 25th, 2023. And y'all, when it comes to giveaways, there's a lot of people out there that try to scam folks in the comment section. The last giveaway that we tried to do, there was somebody going around and telling like dozens of people that they had won. So just know, I am not going to tell you that you won in the comment section. It's just way too easy to spam. So be looking out at the community tab and in the video description of this video. Those people that scam, they are very, very good at it, and I don't want them getting a hold of any of your like sensitive personal information. Now, if you're the winner, you're gonna contact me via the email address that I put into the winner announcement. I'll ask you to verify that you are the commenter that won, and then I'll send your information to Ecoflow and we'll arrange how to get that sent to you. And once again, guys, thank you for all of your support over the past few years. I do want to keep this channel growing and maybe hit 1 million one day. So thank y'all for stopping by. Y'all have a good one.